How to check seat maps for specific airlines on SeatGuru. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can search specific seat maps for specific airlines on SeatGuru. So the first step is to visit seatguru.com, and then once you're on the home page, scroll down to the part where you can see two tabs, seat maps and then shop flight. Ensure you select seat maps so that you can be brought to the seat maps page. So after clicking on seat maps, you will see the options here. All right, in order for you to actually search out seat maps on airlines, the airline has to be specific on SeatGuru. It has to be specific. So one of the requirements is that you have to enter in specific airline whose seat map you would like to see. So for example, you maybe you booked your flights using American Airlines. So just go ahead and select it. So once you've done that, select the dates and then enter in your flight number in here. So after entering your flight number, click on find, and then you'll be taken to the next stage, on to the next page. On this page, your seat map would be displayed and the different colors would be seen. All right, the seat guru will display the seat map for your flight, and the seats are color coded to indicate their quality, with green being the best, yellow being average, and red being the seats to avoid. So this is how you can check seat maps for specific airlines on SeatGuru. Thank you for watching and have a safe trip.